Hi everyone, so my question today is based on standard form. So, what is standard form? Well, standard form is a way of writing down very large or very small numbers easily. Now, if we look at this expression here, which is in standard form, we have our first number here, which must always be between 1 and 10. And this first number is multiplied by 10 to the power of n, where n is the number of places to move the decimal point. Now, if we have a look at the question, and you can just pause the video and have a read through that. So to begin answering the question, look at the surface area of Earth and Jupiter. And we can see that Jupiter is written in standard form. So the first step is to take this out of standard form. So if we write this first number here, which is 6.21795, and we know we have to multiply this by 10 to the power of 10. Now from this expression, we know that n is represented by 10, and so we need to move the decimal point 10 places. Now because 10 is a positive number, or I could say because we know that if n is positive, we move the decimal point in the positive direction, and if n is negative, we move it in the negative direction. So because 10 is a positive number and we move the decimal point 10 places, you can just move this decimal point. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we just fill in these remaining spaces by 0. So that is our surface area of Jupiter. And we are told the surface area of Jupiter is greater than the surface area of Earth. So to find out how many times greater, we must divide the surface area of Jupiter by the surface area of Earth, which we have already been given. And by using my calculator, I get 121.9033783 kilometers squared. And we mustn't forget the units. So now to put this in standard form, well, we know our first number must be between 1 and 10. So we can divide this by 100. So we get 1.219033,783. And we must multiply this by 10 to the power of an integer. Now, how did we get from here to here? Well, we can see that we moved the decimal point 2 places in the positive direction. So our integer is a positive 2, and this is kilometers squared. We can also round this answer, so we can leave the answer as 1.2 multiplied by 10 squared kilometers squared to 1 decimal place. And that's it. Thank you.